लेक्चर नंबर 14 स्टार्ट करते हैं। लास्ट लेक्चर में हमने मल्टीपल क्वांटिफाइड स्टेटमेंट्स पढ़ी थी, ट्रांसलेशन फॉर्मल टू इनफॉर्मल एंड इनफॉर्मल टू फॉर्मल, negation of multiple quantified statements, variants of universal conditional statements। अब हम चैप्टर नंबर 5 पे जा रहे हैं, जिसमें एक और डिस्क्रीट स्ट्रक्चर के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे, दैट इज जनरल सेट्स। इसमें हम हमारे जो मेन टॉपिक्स हैं वो बेसिकली सेट्स से रिलेटेड हैं। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल डिफाइन सेट्स, देन ऑपरेशंस ऑन सेट्स, मेंबरशिप्स, notations and Venn diagram। So first of all, let's define sets. The elements or members of a set can be anything. For example, numbers, people, letter of the alphabet, or other sets, and so on. Sets are conventionally denoted with capital letters. Here are some examples of sets. Number 1. Set A contains tiger, lion, puma, cheetah, leopard, cougar and ocelot. So this set contains the species of cats. Number 2, the set A contains A, B, C, D and up to Z. This is the set consisting of the lowercase letters of the alphabet. 3. A is the set which contains -1, -2, -3 and so on, which are negative numbers or negative integers. So this is the set of negative integers. And in these examples we can observe that all sets contains the elements which are distinct and well defined. Now let's come on the operations on sets. First of all, this is union. Union is an operation between two sets which add two sets. The union of A and B, denoted by A union B, is the set of all things which are members of either A or B. For example, if we are taking union of two sets 1, 2 and red, white, then in the union will be 1, 2 red, white. Or if we have union of 1, 2 with 1, 2 and green, with union we are going to take union with the set red, white and green, then it will be 1, 2 red, white and green. So you can see green is in both sets, but we are writing it once. Now we have 1, 2 union 1, 2. So both members are repeating, therefore we are writing the members once in the set 1, 2. Here it is the intersection. This is another operation on sets. A new set can also be constructed by determining which members two sets have in common. The intersection of A and B, denoted by A intersection B, is the set of all things which are members of both A and B. If A intersection is equal to empty set, then A and B are said to be disjoint. Here are some other examples that 1, 2 is, we are going to take intersection with red, white. So there is no common point, therefore we can write empty set. And here 1, 2 in green with the intersection of red, white and green. So green is repeated in both sets, therefore intersection is green. Here 1, 2 intersection 1, 2 is 1, 2. Now let's define complement of B in A. तो कॉम्प्लीमेंट यहाँ पर हम करने जा रहे हैं दो सेट्स के दरमियान, दैट इज नोन एज relative complement of B in A. which we can denote as A minus B or A minus B is the set of all elements which are members of A but not the members of B. If we take some example 1, 2 minus red white, तो हमें यहाँ पर वो members लिखने हैं जो A में हैं और B में नहीं है. यानी A के members में से B के members माइनस करने हैं. तो we can write 1, 2. It is 1, 2 and green minus. So here we can take minus with only the member green. So A के सारे members आ जाएंगे सिवाय green के जो कि B में भी था और वो माइनस हो गया. It is 1, 2 minus 1, 2, that is empty set. If U is the set of integers, E is the set of even integers and O is the set of odd integers, then E complement is equal to odd integers. E complement means universal set minus even integers. So that will become the set of odd integers. Now let's define another concept related with sets, that is Cartesian products. A new set can be constructed by associating every element of one set with every element of another set. The Cartesian product of two sets A and B denoted by A cross B is the set of all ordered pairs A comma B such that A is a member of A and B is a member of B. तो जो ordered pair है उसमें जो पहला element है वो set A से है और दूसरा element set B से है. So if we are going to take some Cartesian product between these two sets 1, 2 and red white, that will be 1 comma red, 1 comma white, 2 comma red and 2 comma white, right? Another example 1, 2 and green with Cartesian with the set red comma white comma green. This will be 1 red, 1 white and 1 green. It is 2 red, 2 white and 2 green. This is again green red, green white and green green. Last example is 1 comma 2 is with Cartesian with the set 1 2, that is 1 1, 1 2, 2 1 and 2. Now we come on special sets. So in special sets we can define some sets which are defined conventionally, like हम एक ऐसा सेट डिफाइन कर सकते हैं जिसके अंदर कोई भी एलिमेंट नहीं है, यानी जिसको हम कहेंगे कि एम्प्टी सेट है और उसकी रिप्रेजेंटेशन ये आपको नजर आ रही थी कि खाली ब्रैकेट्स हैं, इसके अंदर कोई एलिमेंट नहीं है, और एम्प्टी सेट, ये इसका एम्प्टी सेट का साइन है. अनदर इज अ सिंगलटन सेट. सिंगलटन सेट ऐसा है सेट जिसके अंदर सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक एलिमेंट होता है. P or P, that is denoting the set of all primes P 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 7 and so on, 17 and so on. N is the set of natural numbers 1, 2, 3 and so on. Z is some set of all integers, whether positive, negative or 0. Z is हम इसको रियल नंबर का जो ऑर्डर है उसमें भी लिख सकते हैं, यानी 0 को सेंटर में, राइट पर पॉजिटिव और लेफ्ट पे नेगेटिव इंटीजर्स. Q is the set of rational numbers which we can define as A over B, where A and B both are integers and B is not equal to 0. For example, 1 over 4 belongs to Q and 11 over 6 belongs to Q. R is the set of all real numbers. This set include all rational numbers together with all irrational numbers. That is, numbers which cannot be rewritten as functions such as pi, e and 2 square root, as well as numbers that cannot be defined. C is the set of all complex numbers which can be expressed as a plus iota b, where a and b both are real numbers. For example, 1 plus 2i belongs to C. C is the complex number system, right?